Next is disinfection method using radiation, UV radiation. When electric current is passed through mercury vapor lamp enclosed in quartz container, it produces UV radiation. Its wavelength ranges from 200 to 400 nanometer. So, disinfection process can be used with the help of UV radiation. Its wavelength ranging from 200 to 400 nanometer. These radiations are absorbed by the microorganisms present in water, which initiates photochemical reaction at their DNA bases. So, these microorganisms are destroyed by UV radiation, and the effectiveness of this method depends on the intensity of radiation and the extent of irradiation. So, UV method, in UV method we can use the wavelength region 200 to 400 nanometer for the disinfection purpose. So, this UV radiation it initiates the photochemical reactions and it destroys the microorganisms. And its effectiveness depends on the two different factors. One is the intensity of radiation and second one is the extent of radiation. Then we can consider the advantages of this UV radiation. It doesn't produce any unpleasant taste and smell in water because we know that there is no chemicals are used for the UV radiation purpose by the disinfection method. So it doesn't produce any unpleasant smell, unpleasant odor, unpleasant taste, etc. And this process is a quick process because it is so fast, because irradiation of UV can be done within few minutes. Then all the pathogenic microorganisms are killed by this method. Then complete sterilization occurs if we can use UV method for disinfection. But it has some disadvantages because equipments are very costly. At the same time, some technical skill is also required for using that UV radiation. Then, and it is also applicable for a small quantity of water. In large scale process, we cannot use this UV method. At that time we can use chlorination, even though it has some disadvantages. Okay. Then one more method used for the disinfection is using ozone. How ozone is produced? Oxygen is passing through high voltage, we can get ozone. This ozone is highly unstable in nature and it decomposes and forms nascent oxygen. Actually, the nascent oxygen is capable for destructing all the microorganisms present in water. Here also it has some advantages. There is no smell, no unpleasant taste, etc. And complete sterilization can be occurs with the help of this ozone. Disadvantages are almost the same as that of UV method. Here also this method is expensive and it is applicable only for a small quantity of water. So we discussed three different disinfection methods: chlorination, then UV radiation, and third one ozone.